Me, I had a great weekend. I spent my weekends with my high school friends. Wow, that's good. You all had a great bonding, huh? Yeah, right. How about yours? Me, I got sick for about 2 days. It's really a bad weekend, but I'm lucky because I'm able to attend your shows. So sad to hear that, sis. Last weekend, I researched about the physical fitness test. What a great idea. I also want to learn about that. Anyway, what is physical fitness test? Physical fitness is a very important aspect in everyone's life. Now I know what it is. We should also apply different skill activities. For your information, I made a new invention of fitness test. Me too! Wow! Now I know that we are the real sisters. I also made. So let's start and share it to our televiewers. Lights, camera, action! It's called rolling wheel. It enhances your arm power and your balancing. First, get a partner. Face your partner and hold hands. The other one should lay down, and the other one should stretch her arm holding her partner who is lying down. Make sure your feet is close and attached to his feet. The other one should lay down, should be the one to stand. Keep rolling. Then record the times to stand. Do it as many as you can.
Twin balance. It enhances your leg power, arm power, and your balancing. First, get a partner. The one who is on the right should cross her right leg. Then the one who is on the left should cross her left leg. Hold your partner's waist. Both will hold their hands upward. Then hop using just one feet together with your partner. Backpack. It enhances your arm power, leg power. Get a partner. Be sure that you're in back-to-back position. The one who's heavier will be the one to carry her partner, and the one who is being carried will kick her feet in the air. Record the time on how long you stay in that position. Pumping. It enhances your balancing and your leg power. First, stand straight. Stretch your right arm. Then hold your left foot with your left hand. Then stretch your right hand together with your left foot. Do it as many as you can. Superman. It enhances your coordination, leg power, and abdominal muscle. Form a group with 4 members. Stand straight. The girl 3 and 4 will face to their right and the last 2 to their left. The girl 2 will lay down and raise her feet. Next, the girl 3 will put the feet of the girl 2 on her stomach. Girl 1 will hold the hands of girl 3 and the girl 4 will hold the feet. Girl 1, 2, and 4 will bend their knees, then record the times you bend.
After a long demonstration, we're now finally done. We all had different ideas about the physical fitness test. Yeah! We should remember that once we learn or discover something, we should share it to others, right? Of course! We hope you learned something about physical fitness. Now you know about physical fitness test, we hope to apply it in your daily life. We're sure that these different activity tests will make you physically fit. Being physically fit is not enough. Take care of your health also. It's time to go. We need to say sisters goodbye to our televiewers. Till next time. See you when we see you. Lights, camera, bye!